Hi everybody, this is my take on the Biltong airflow box. I've looked at many YouTube builds and I've come up with a couple of mods of my own, so feel free to use what you see and I give you as much information as I can. I give my two air intake vents. They're approximately 3 inches in diameter. They're about 2.5 inches center off the bottom of the box. And what I did was on the inside, I used some, here in the States, we use some door mesh for a screen. So glue the screen in, cut it off, so to keep all the bugs out. In my build, instead of drilling holes through the side of my box, what I did was I took 2 pieces of wood that I had, clamped them together, and I cut 1/2 inch notches out of each piece. So now I don't have any holes for any air leakage in the side of my box, and I can now use as many dowels, up to 5 in this case, as many dowels as I see fit. If I just require 3 dowels, depending on how much meat I'm using, I can just put 3 dowels in. Or I can use the full complement and put 5 in this case. With regards to drawing the air out, what I like about this particular box is that it does have latching handles, so the lid can lock down to make it a little more airtight. So what I've done with the lid is I bought 2 computer fans off Amazon, and I will give anybody the information that they need. So these particular fans have casings on the top to protect the blades, and they had some on the underneath side, which I removed so I could place the fans flush with the lid, again to keep it as airtight as possible. On the underneath side, I again put some screen in place, keep the bugs coming from entering into the box. So, using a 40-watt bulb in my outlet, I'm just going to show you how this particular one works, how well it works. Going to latch down my lids. For this experiment, I'm going to take a piece of paper . Oops, bear with me. And I'm going to hang this piece of paper over one vent so you can get an idea of how well this draws the air. So I have some paper hanging over the vent right here. So my fans are in place. I'm going to turn my fans on. These particular fans, which is a very nice feature, has got a controller. So I'm able to control the fans off, low, medium, high. So I'm going to turn the fans to low, and there's no sound can be heard from either fans, and I can feel the exhaust coming out already. So the air intake, you can see it is drawing the paper in, and that's at the lowest setting. At off, paper draws back out. I'm going to turn it up to high so you get an idea how efficient this unit works in drawing air in and out of the box. That's my build. We'll be preparing some meat tomorrow. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to shoot me a line, and if I can answer them, I will. Thank you.